Tired of juggling platforms and struggling to build your tech education empire? Welcome to InstinctHub Creators App, your one-stop shop for crafting world-class learning experiences. Unleash your inner curriculum architect. Build dynamic courses from bite-sized tutorial to comprehensive career tracks, all within few steps. Weave courses together into cohesive learning path. Guide your student from beginner to boss. Foster a vibrant community. Build exclusive group, host live sessions, and watch your learning ecosystem flourish. Measure progress and masteries. Craft interactive assessments and personalized feedback loops to keep your students motivated. We have simple, predictable pricing, an 80% reduction in price markets. Such offer only exists on InstinctHub. One more thing, we have over a decade experience in course creation. What does that mean? It means you should not freak out on how you will create a course. We're here to also guide you throughout the processes, from coming up with course ideas, fleshing up content, generating slides and video, to publishing and attracting passive income. We've got the expertise to help you through. Stop juggling tools and build your legacy. Join InstinctHub Creators App community and unleash your full potential as a tech-driven educator. Visit InstinctHub.com or call the number on the screen to learn more about our flexible subscription plans and start teaching what you know.